So what I would recommend first is to get all your supplies that you're going to need. This is what I got at Home Depot. I bought this at Home Depot. It's the 50-pound bag, which is very heavy. And then I got this bucket at Home Depot too. All the other stuff I actually had at home. So I have a 3-gallon of water. I have some Ziploc bags, the Tetherball, more plastic, and some gloves. So this is what's going to come in your Tetherball kit. 3 poles, 1, 2, 3. One of these, which is the base for the whole pole. Okay, it doesn't come with an actual base, so you actually have to make one, which is what we're gonna do today. And then the Tetherball with a hook. And from what I feel, it's very cheapy quality, but I did pay $50 for it, so I bought it on Amazon. So I'm going to wrap this up with plastic. And oh, it's heavy. Ugh. So right now I have like half of the bag in here. Die, Felicia, die! Die! JK. Push down and sway from side to side. Push down and sway. See how this little pattern I'm doing? It's kind of helping me mix it a little bit more. Kind of got to put your whole weight into it though. But push and sway. Push and sway. Push and sway. And it's actually mixing. I can actually feel the bottom of the bucket now. So that's exciting. So push and sway. Push and sway. Concrete in there. At this point, I'm just really eyeballing it. Okay. Probably gonna need more than that, but let's try doing this and see. It was less than 2 gallons. Definitely less than 2 gallons of water that I put in here. Really try not to make a mess, so I'm leaving the actual shovel in there. Okay, here we go. That definitely feels lighter. Not putting in the whole bag. Definitely just little by little though. Okay, so we're going to mix that up. Okay, I think this is gonna do the trick. It feels. I'm actually enjoying this more than I thought. I just wish I had like proper tools to mix this with, because that would save so much time and elbow grease. Yes, look at that consistency. Finally, I think I'm gonna add a tiny bit more. Yes. What do you guys say? A tiny bit more. Yup. Looks so cool. It has like hella air bubbles too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Oh my goodness, you guys. I literally dropped the phone inside the cement. What? And I quickly ran off to dry it. Thank God it wasn't as soupy. Okay, that was crazy. That was intense. For the love of YouTube. Okay, let me hurry up. Ooh, I can feel it getting hard already. Yo, this phone fell inside the water. Uh-oh. I think now it's getting, I think I put too much. Nah, you know what? I think it's just right. Yep. This is how the consistency needs to be. I cannot believe my phone is still working. I really thought that was the end of the video. That was the end of my phone. Okay, and we are going to put it inside. And I want to say maybe I guess all the way in there. Check the concrete mix bag, and it says that it sets in 20 to 40 minutes. So it is 3:54, so 4 o'clock. So we will check it about We'll leave it till 5 o'clock. So if you buy this exact setup, this one is going to be the top one. As you can see, it has the hook here, the very top rubber, the black rubber lid on the top, and it has a hook here to where you can hook the tetherball, and then it's going to have a solid bottom piece with a little hole there. So this is the top part. Second piece is this one here, and as you can see, it has a little button here that pushes in and out, and it has a little bit of a thinner end, then it gets thicker, and then it has a thinner end, and then it has another button here. So this is going to be the middle one that's going to, in essence, connect with that hole that we were just talking about earlier. See? It's gonna connect. So this is the second piece. And the third and final piece is this one. So it's similar in the shape of the first one, except it does not have the rubber top. And this side has nothing, it's pretty much plain. And then this side has another hole. So this is going to indicate that the hole is going to go on the top, and the bottom part that doesn't have a hole is going to go in that black base that we're cementing onto the bucket. So it's going to be the black base, part number 3, then part number 2, then part number 1, if that makes any sense. Hopefully it does. Not neglecting my baby, he is teething. Yay! I actually found a little tooth on the bottom of his gum. He is 5 months old and he is growing out his first little tooth, so we're gonna get him a little teething gel and we're gonna get him a baby bottle for now. So please don't come for me in the comments saying I'm neglecting my son. I am not. Aren't you guys? It looks pretty much set, not 100%, but it's getting there. Ripped up the plastic and then I just pushed it all the way down like this before I set up the pole. Oh my gosh. How exciting is this? Push the little button down. Okay guys, so there you have it. I'm going to definitely have to dig a hole and bury the whole bucket in there because it is extremely high. As you see, I have my little besties helping me dig the hole. Look how easily the pole just comes right off if you need to take it off. And then it clips right back in very easily. The kids and I are so happy that we bought this. I encourage you guys to do the same. Hopefully this helped. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Yes. We'll go when it wraps around one. Oh shit. Alright. We'll go when it wraps around one. Right. Ooh.
Thank you for watching.